Alright, check this out. This is going to be mine for my truck. I got two holes right here for lightning cable, the top one, and then micro USB for the bottom, which I still need to glue in place, whatever, or not glue, whatever tablet I'm going to be using. So I got the iPad 9.7, got my Galaxy tab over here. The button, this home button doesn't work, so I have to turn it on from here, or it would connect automatically to the truck. So basically, I also put this little liner on the bottom, felt liner, whatever, I don't know what fabric it is. So slides in, then slide to dock, and you play. That's what it looks like. So it's got like 1/4 inch all around of space. So this tablet, and you push down and it has that much space to pull out. So if you were using two hands, you push down with one and then you pull it out with the other one. But I'm just gonna slide it out and grab it. Then the iPad, same deal. They both fit in there the same. It slides in and it's docked. And you go ahead and so there's a piece that's going on my truck, so I'll be able to use both tablets whenever I feel like it, because bows like that.